Name's Ryan, and I'm going to be recapping our lesson on cultural competency in my 3-minute video. Cultural competency is an essential skill in today's diverse world. It's about being able to work effectively and respectfully with people from different cultural backgrounds. This is not a one-time learning event, but rather an ongoing process of adapting our interactions to avoid misunderstandings. Developing cultural competency also improves communication and strengthens relationships. To be culturally competent, we first need cultural awareness. This means being aware of our own culture and how it shapes our views and behaviors. There's an analogy that fish don't know they're in water. In other words, this kind of means we don't really realize how our own culture affects us until we step outside of it. Next, we have cultural knowledge. This is when we take the time to actively learn about other cultures. This could mean learning about their customs or beliefs, and these all help us navigate our interactions more effectively. Um, it's also important to recognize that within any culture, there are subcultures. These subcultures may have different values or practices than the dominant culture. Additionally, every individual is shaped by multiple identities, including like gender, ethnicity, profession. The concept of intersectionality, it means that each person's cultural identity is unique. Understanding these layers of identity can deepen our appreciation for the complexity of each person we interact with. To become culturally competent, we need to develop our cultural skills. These are tools that help us act appropriately across cultural barriers. For instance, this could involve like performing culturally appropriate physical exams in a healthcare setting. It's also important to avoid stereotypes. Just because something is true for one person from a different culture doesn't mean that it's true for everyone in that group. Um, Applying cultural competency involves recognizing differences without judgment and being aware of our own cultural biases. The goal here is to create respectful and open-minded interactions. To do this, we must continually seek knowledge, adapt our behavior, and challenge any assumptions we might have. This is a process that helps us build stronger, more meaningful connections with people from all walks of life. In conclusion, cultural competency isn't just something that we master in one go. It's a lifelong process of learning. By embracing diversity, staying open-minded, and applying our cultural skills in our daily interactions, we can have better communication and collaboration with each other. The more we understand and respect each other's cultural backgrounds, the more successful our interactions will be.